Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in eFootball 2025. This is for mobile, working on iOS and Android devices, and you can get free eFootball coins. And as you can see, they are not cheap if you was to purchase them. But I've managed to find a super easy method to get you your free coins in eFootball 2025, and this is working on both Android and iOS devices. You can even use this for consoles as well. Super simple. So you can see you need to obviously have eFootball installed, and then you need to open up the internet. So it doesn't matter, like I said, if you're on iPhone or Android, just open up the internet browser and go to www.wavyplugin.com. So spell it like that, guys, Wavy Plugin. And this is an awesome modded app store that I found. As you can see, they have so many different pages on here for some of your favorite mobile applications. So go to the search bar and search for eFootball. And you're looking for the eFootball 2025 plugin, unlimited coins and GP for iOS and Android. So go ahead and do that, guys. And this is basically gonna run in the background as you play the legit eFootball game, and is gonna basically supply you with unlimited free coins in eFootball 2025. So just wait for this to load up. You may need to do a device verification, which is completely normal. So just follow all of the instructions, and that is how to get the mod on your phone. And yeah, that is gonna get you your free eFootball coins. So go to Wavy Plugin, search for the eFootball plugin, and enjoy, guys. That's going to save you a bunch of money, because I'm sure you're aware the coins in eFootball are super expensive. So if you found this video useful, go ahead and drop a like on this video, leave a comment below if you need any help, and yeah, enjoy, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.